Alright, Detroit 60 series cold start. This is also going to be a special video probably that I'm going to make a couple of videos out to make more videos on YouTube. So, the keys are not on the right, unlike Volvo's. It's right here. Cold start. Alright, make sure this truck is in neutral. Like, of course, I'm going to turn down this AC thing so you guys can hear it completely. And it's, here we go. Okay. Time to show you guys what this thing is. Also, the lamp and the lights in all its glory. Alright guys, just listen to this though. The truck has warmed up a little bit. So, what do you call? Listen to this. We got engine brake on. Listen to this. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2006 turn right. This particular package. Drive and attempt on the 6 series.